afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Mad Bowtie Garage. Michael and Dale here. Dale, where are we at today?
Today we're at the Hooptie Kings show down here at the Jonesborough Armory in Jonesborough, Tennessee.
And I don't know if y'all noticed, Dale.
We got a new logo.
And
this right here is the man who done it. Uncle Rob.
Uncle Rob. He is one killer dude when it comes to hot rods, anything like that. And he's got an old square body you see behind us. Getting ready to throw his own whip on that. But y'all, stay tuned. Let's check out some of these rides. And here we go. much, y'all. That concludes the coverage of the Hooptie Kings car show at the Jonesborough Armory. Dale, they had a pretty good turnout today.
Oh man, they had a great turnout today.
And as a matter of fact, we got the Hooptie Kings specials right here.
Yeah, man,
Houston,
what's happening?
What's going on?
Jesse, y'all be sure to check out their channel, the Full Metal Go.
Houston Kilby.
Houston Kilby.
Metal Go, or you type in Houston Kilby, you can check us out. You got my hot rods on there, got all Jesse's hot rods on there. Building them, going crazy, breaking parts, spending money, all that good stuff.
Spending more money.
Yeah, burning oil, burning
Staying
tires.
up till like 4 in the morning.
Yeah, a lot of 4 in the morning working on stuff. If you like that, come our way. But yeah, guys, we definitely appreciate anytime we can help you or anybody out, man. It's a good deal. So.
Got to.
Well, we appreciate y'all having us out here too. It's beautiful weather, great weather.
Can't beat it. I'm telling you.
Lord's blessings, a beautiful day. So,
All day long,
Jeffrey,
man.
is it hot out here?
Warm, a little bit warm. Thumbs up.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
So,
Photo finish right there,
Yes,
boys.
sir.
y'all, I don't know what we'll be doing on the next episode of Mad Bowtie Garage, but we'll be doing something, won't we, Dale?
That's right.
So, y'all, that's about it. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
Smash that subscribe button. Just give her a good punch.
Good punch.
And
Yeah,
do it to
get
the
her
Houston-
solid with everybody.
Do it to the Houston Kilby channel too. Give that thing a smash.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah,
Turn that
whatever
thing
y'all
into
do.
boring gray. We don't want to see that red.
And fire up that comment section, guys. We appreciate
Yeah,
you.
let's all have a party on YouTube.
With that said, we gone. Catch you on the next episode of Mad Bowtie Garage.